If you take 3 balls and start juggling them, you might notice that every single throw is crossing hands. But if you get a 4th ball, then all of a sudden, none of the throws are crossing hands. Like it's just 2 in my right hand and then 2 in my left hand, and none of the balls are actually crossing. But once you get 1 more ball and you go into 5, every single ball is crossing hands again. So what's going on? Well, the basic rule in juggling is that you're never allowed to catch 2 balls in one hand. So the easiest way to make sure you do that is you just divide the number of balls you have by the number of hands that you have. So if I have 4 balls but 2 hands, I can divide that and then I just get 2 balls per hand. So I never have to cross it because I can just juggle those 2 balls in each hand like this. But the second that you have an odd number of balls, like 3, it means that you have 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. So how do you have 1.5 balls per hand? Well, you do it by sharing the amount of time that each ball spends in each hand. And that's done by crossing every single throw. And that's why 3 balls, 5 balls, and 7 balls all cross hands. So remember, if you have an even number of balls, they're not gonna cross, like 6. 7, on the other hand, they will cross. Now, to answer the comments before they come in, can you do a crossing pattern with 4? Well, yes, there are patterns with 4 balls that can cross, and there are patterns with 3 balls that don't cross. However, the only default patterns with each of these balls are odd numbers crossing and even numbers not crossing. And if you found this interesting, you might want to drop me a follow.